How to use a wiper washer or wiper spray in a Mercedes-Benz GLA. This is a left-hand drive car, and you can see the controls for the wiper washer is on the left side. So at the end of this talk there is a button, and this button has two functions. If you press once, it's just for a quick wipe without any wash, and if you press longer, then you can do the wiper spray. So this is the demonstration. You can see if you press once, there is a single wipe, and if you do a long press, yeah, like this, you can see a wiper wash, and you don't need to do anything to stop it. Just like one tap, that's it, and your windshield will be super clean.